Hi friends, welcome to my channel.
My name is Stanley Sebastian. Today I'm going to share a drone flying tutorial. Easy Mini X drone. Let's take out the drone from its bag and get it ready for flying. This drone is made in India. It is a very lightweight drone and is less than 249 grams. Now let's open the wings of the drone, starting with the bigger legs. You can see here it's written ultralight 249G. It's the weight of the drone. Before switching on the drone, make sure you open this camera protection cover and the white color sponge which is kept above the camera. Or else once the drone switches on, the camera will rotate and it might get scratches. This is the place to insert the memory card. And this big hole is to insert the battery of the drone. This is how you should insert the battery. That sound indicates that the battery is locked. Now let's insert the memory card into the memory card slot of the drone. I'm using the SanDisk 128GB Class 10 memory card. This is how you should insert the memory card into the drone. Now let's press the white button on the battery to switch on the drone. You have to press and hold it for 2 to 3 seconds. Then the drone will switch on and make 3 beeps. After the 3 beeps, the drone will make a long beep and then the camera will start functioning. Now let's take out the remote control unit of the drone, switch it on and pair it with the drone. This is the connection cable of the remote control system with the mobile phone. You have to open the antenna of the remote control to get proper connection with the drone. Press and hold the power button on the remote control for 2 to 3 seconds to switch on the remote control. Then you can see one red light, followed with green lights on the remote control. Wait for 5 to 10 seconds for the remote to pair with the drone. Once you see full green light on the remote followed by a beep sound, you can confirm that the drone and the remote are paired. You can also note that the drone's blue light will change to green light as well. Now let's connect the mobile phone and open the iZSkyEye application. These are the hands of the remote control, which holds our mobile phone. Place our mobile phone like this on the remote control hands. Then open the iZSkyEye application on the mobile phone. Click the Allow button on your mobile to grant permission. Now connect the cable to your mobile phone. Once you connect that cable to your mobile phone's port, another pop-up will come, asking for permission. Click OK button. Now you can see green icon showing connected and below that Start Flying. Click on Start Flying, and you can see visuals from your drone camera. That red color button is for video recording. Click on that button and your drone will start video recording. Now let's fly the drone. Toggle the left and right joysticks outward as to get the propeller started to rotate. Then slowly push the throttle forward and the drone will take off.
The position of the return point. Take off. The return point has been refreshed. Please pay attention to the position of the return point.
Now let me show you the drone footage as well. The left joystick has 4 functions. If you push the joystick forward, then the drone will fly upwards, and if you pull the joystick downwards, then the drone will come downwards. And if you pull the left joystick towards left, then the drone will rotate to the left and complete circles. And if you pull the left joystick towards right, then the drone will rotate to the right and do a complete circle. The button on the remote, which is next to camera button, is the gimbal adjustment, which controls the angle of the camera.
The number of GPS is insufficient. It will affect the hovering effect and return accuracy. Please pay attention to flying. The number of GPS is insufficient. It will affect the hovering effect and return accuracy. Please pay attention to flying.
If you pull the right joystick downward, then the drone will go backwards. And if you push the right joystick forward, then the drone will move forward. This is how you can adjust the speed of the gimbal. This is how you can adjust the rotation speed of the drone.